Sanjay Gandhi National Park is one of the unique park in the world. The beauty of Sanjay Gandhi National Park is that it is having a very good blend of diversity of both flora and fauna. As a Sanjay Gandhi National Park Authority, we constantly evolving ourselves in creating more and more attractions for the tourists, also to make these areas available for education purpose.
We are undertaking the ecological restoration of this area and we want to present in front of the world like how by using native plants we can create a wonderful ecosystem which is dynamic, which is beautiful, which follows a flowering cycle across the year.
या ठिकाणी पूर्वी फुलपाखरू उद्यान होतं आणि ह्या निसर्ग माहिती केंद्राचं आपण नूतनीकरणाची सुरुवात केल्यानंतर त्याची प्रचंड आणि दुरवस्था झालेली होती आणि त्याच्यामध्ये तोक्ते निसर्ग वादळ आलं. त्याच्यामुळे बऱ्याचशा विदेशी प्रजाती इकडच्या पडल्या. या ठिकाणी पूर्वी रेंट्री, गुलमोहर आणि काही पामच्या स्पेसीस ज्या परदेशी आहेत त्या जास्त प्रमाणात होत्या.
In creation of this nectar garden, we are very fortunate to have a partnership with Nature Forever Society and Kotak Bank.
नेचर फॉरेवर सोसायटीचे मोहम्मद दिदावरजी या ठिकाणी आले आणि त्यांनी या ठिकाणी नेक्टर गार्डन करण्याचा प्रस्ताव मांडला. काही नेटिव्ह स्पेसीस ज्या होत्या त्या व्यवस्थित स्थिरस्थावर असल्यामुळे त्या बळजडीचा फायदा घेऊन बरेचसे वृक्ष प्रजाती आणि काहीच्या श्रब प्रजाती या ठिकाणी आपण इंट्रोड्यूस करत आहोत की जेणेकरून या ठिकाणी नवीन फुलपाखरं, स्थानिक फुलपाखरं, वेगवेगळ्या पक्ष्यांचाही आदिवास वाढावा याचा प्रयत्न आपण करत आहोत.
Most of the people know that this park is having very high tourist footfall all through the year. So this will give a good opportunity for us to have a good interaction with the people and to give education about the nature and wildlife conservation.
The plantation has been undertaken after taking a lot of scientific research. Every plant has been chosen to support birds, bees, butterflies. Through this project, we aim to set a new standard as far as sustainability is considered because these plants are native to this landscape. They would be using far less amount of water, energy and manpower in comparison to landscape garden with non-native plants.